race of this shit, huh? We better go fishing real quick. I don't even got an intro, so I don't even got to start it off or nothing. I got to work on my cussing, because I do cuss a lot. My mama be watching my videos. But yeah, we finna go fishing and stuff. Got the worms right here. I'm gonna turn this into like a little mini fishing video, see what we can do on this bitch. See how hey, look, TikTok video on the way soon though, but like, don't you hate when people make dumbass shit like this? Like, she said she only got like your total is 1534. But this bitch gonna say only got like 2 cents. Like, you sound dumb as fuck. But we on our way over there right now. But look, like, the TikTok video coming soon, you know? TikTok video coming soon. Well, I'm telling y'all what it is. Anyway, the shit is, I'm making a TikTok video soon. And y'all gonna see how the video gonna go. It's gonna be a little skit too. Yeah. And I'm wearing the white girl bitches. Stop playing. Damn, hungry as a bitch. Man, I think this shit open up like around motherfucking 2, 5, 6. And they stay open 24/8. I'll leave you there right there, baby. Come to you later. Hold on. I'll come to you. Alright. 762's giving nigga the clues. Baggy pants, fat pants. Huh? Man, fuck, bruh. This shit bad as fuck. Fuck you said? You gonna forever flex that shit, huh?
My shit canceled. Oh shit.
Bruh, alright, we get your shit back there. Hey, bruh, so what we finna do is we finna try and catch some fishes at this unknown location. We about to show you how the black niggas fish at this bitch. So shit, we about to show y'all what we finna do. Get the fuck out of my... You good? Keep going. Alright. Just enough. Alright, bro. This nigga got me, bruh.
Man, get the worms and shit, bro.
Oh, shit. Alright. Look where the fuck we at, y'all. This nigga got me in the fucking country once again. Oh, shit. We finna see what we can catch out here. Trying to make sure that nigga trust that nigga the way he's standing. Yeah, you won't have that on me. This shit go hard though. I like how this shit look. Look like some shit off a movie. You wanna walk back to your shit? Anyway, yeah. We finna see what the fuck we could catch out here. We're in pure country out here, like pure country. Hell nah. You used to this shit, huh? I ain't lying, bro. You gotta come back here on the pole again. Alright, yeah, from this nigga car. That shit all the way over there. But look, the fishing season. Oh.
The white niggas be coming out here to hunt all the time,
The fuck? Oh, what the fuck is that?
That's a turkey.
Oh, man, no, bruh. No, bruh, my fucking knife ain't gonna work. Hey, hold on, let me show y'all my knife. What the fuck was that just flew, a vulture? I see why this nigga say bring a gun. Yeah. But look, y'all, this my knife I just got. Why this nigga tryna... All I gotta do is shank them. Yeah.
Nice thing.
Bro, to be honest, we really haven't really did nothing this whole scene. I'm just really showing y'all like how it is right now. But I'm about to show y'all like what about to go on the next following day what we did. I really haven't captured much. I haven't even really captured nothing much at all. So, you know, yeah. So I hope y'all just enjoy the footage I have right now. Hey, we out here right now. We saw a turkey.
I ain't lying. Back out here about to fish at this bitch.
Back ass trying to pull some out that fucking water, you hear me?
This nigga haven't even walked down here.
Man, look, y'all chose to walk down. We could have drove down this bitch, man. See, y'all ain't said we was about.
This nigga right here. But shit, I'm gonna show y'all a clip.
Man, what the fuck is that?
Yeah.
I said that's a bad turkey.
That bitch. Like that.
I'm gonna shoot that bitch from the
Shit. That bitch ain't do nothing though. That nigga said, man, I thought that was an ostrich.
I for real thought that was an ostrich, bruh.
I'm gonna show your ass. Pull that bitch, walk down, pop, pop. Clock his ass.
Alright, right here.
Alright. Fuck no.
Hold on, I know damn y'all want that, but hold on.
We gotta walk way down there. You ain't fucking with it, bruh?
Man, what the fuck, man? I ain't signed up for this shit, man.
Hey, what you gotta say about that, Andrew? Shit, that's what I'm saying. Damn, this shit do seem fun now.
Cool, about 18 bitches out this fucking water, goddamn.
Look how country this shit look, y'all.
Show my new kicks.
Shit, work boots. Nigga got that fucking rod on him again. Look, I'm gonna show y'all when we closer next to that bitch.
You don't put this shit
I'll show y'all what I got, feel me? It's my hunting
What
gun,
you got
man.
right there, sir?
It's my hunting gun, bro.
Mmm.
You feel I'm trying to knock an animal head off with this bitch here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already know, you hear me?
Man.
We finna go on. We finna see what type of
Watch out for that water. Watch out for that water. You feel me?
Alright. Look, we're finna go on and we're finna see how many fish we could catch over here in this unknown area.
Yeah, probably won't catch shit at all.
Man, don't say that shit. This bitch too fucking far to be saying that shit,
Hey,
goddamn.
we've been walking for at least 20 minutes so far. So we about to see what the fuck we could catch out here. Hey,
Man, what the fuck is this? Fucking river down, goddamn it.
I don't know. Andrew said we're supposed to walk through here.
I know you fucking lying.
Shit, hey, I'm gonna fuck with y'all niggas. Slacking, boy. I got that fuck. Hey. Y'all see this right here?
Man, what the fuck is that?
Nigga, this is a fucking saber-tooth knife, nigga. Fucking right, nigga. You already know what time it is. All I gotta do is whip that bitch out like Jackie Chan.
Bet you see what I got though? That's dope for me, man.
No. So you run out of wood and we run across a fat ass bear, you gonna switch to the knife? Man, that's too slow.
Flip that bitch just like that, goddamn. I'm gonna call duty his ass.
That's too slow, nigga.
Damn, shit, I ain't slow, nigga. Quick.
Oh, you gonna be quick with that bitch.
Quick with that bitch, goddamn.
The boy Coyote Peterson here. And that's you. Boy Coyote Peterson here. And as you can see, that bitch got some fucking grass. Hey, this shit country as fuck. Look at these country ass niggas. Damn, bitch, you ain't gonna pump the camera.
Oh shit. I can't leave my dog out, bro.
Yeah, right.
Can't leave my nigga hanging like that, man.
Yes, sir. We about to just show y'all how niggas fish, goddamn. Y'all see white boy be
Come here. Man, this right here, man, this what you call a goddamn.
Yes, sir.
Reefer, goddamn. You see that right there?
Yeah, I see that.
Them bitches real poisonous. Don't touch that
Right,
motherfucker.
don't touch that bitch.
That bitch will kill you, literally.
Right, it would kill you.
Let me touch you.
Oh shit, this nigga tripping.
I'm a fucking river, you hear? Eat that bitch. This right here, what you call a sunflower right here, bro. These bitches half dead, but you get the, you know.
Hell yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
organic.
Yeah,
Organic
you feel me?
shit. God damn. This is a far ass walk. Alright, I think we made it, y'all.
I don't know where the fuck we at, but hey, look. This bitch right here is beautiful right here. See this shit right here?
Look at this shit.
That shit beautiful.
Damn, look at this shit.
Real?
Finally.
Yeah, come on.
This nigga Joe is bowling down.
That nigga don't give a fuck. Alright.
That shit smooth like butter.
Small ass waterfall. Alright, bro. Tell them what the fuck going on.
Man, what's going on here, bro? We trying to catch the fucking bass out this bitch, bro. We trying to go platinum with
Hell yeah. Fuck. Oh shit, y'all. We in a sticky situation. Oh shit. This bitch strong. Ah, this bitch tickling me. Hey, Trey, get my phone. Trey.
Yeah, I see what that boy going through, man. This is the struggle, man. This what we doing out here. We really out here surviving in this shit, man. Drowning.
Hey, bro. I made this the fishing spot right here, bro. That water is too fucking strong.
I think we still got some ways to go, goddamn. This nigga still walking down there, goddamn.
Still gotta travel through some fucking jungle water.
Hey, how far we in?
Alright. Fuck it. Fuck it. You wet. Already wet. Fuck it. This nigga walking slow as fuck through that big. Alright, are y'all ready? Let me show y'all the fishing gear. We got catfish bait, of course. We got the worms. And of course, he wanted to show me how much water got in his boots, of course. Fuck. Yep. See, it's a lot, Trey. It's a lot. Anyways, back to weight, of course. You got the fucking catfish bait, cutfish, and the honey bun. Can never forget about that. Now, next clip is gonna be something devastating. You caught a bass, eh? No. Let me see that bit. Oh shit, this the deep spot right here. Shit. And that baby ass fish.
Shit,
No.
baby.
Shit, no, huh? They caught a fat ass bass, goddamn. Oh yeah, pull that bitch out. Oh yeah.
Stop playing.
No.
Yeah.
Huh? I ain't catch shit, but shit, it's all good.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
That nigga going right there on the hook, goddamn. Shit. That nigga catching.
You know I gotta show my girl.
Hell yeah. Set that bitch in the ground. Oh yeah, goddamn.
Look, you got look. You got this. There you go. I got this. It's not letting me do it though. That bitch cold. I tried this shit before. Ooh. Ain't no look, no. You cut your hook off. Gloves, bro.
Glove.
I ain't cutting shit off, man. It's a good hook. Yes, nigga. You got that bitch in the head. Alright, cut this bitch, man.
Yeah, RIP your little hook.
Oh, this bitch go in the pot.
That bitch going on the pot. You eating that bitch?
This bitch go in the pot.
Huh? Oh, I can't fish. I gotta catch something with my fishing pole.
Well, something was obviously wrong.
I got that bitch.
I couldn't catch no fish whatsoever. This shit was getting out of hand. And plus, we was in the middle of nowhere. I had to find a way to, find some more fishes, of course. But, this shit was terrible. We were just out here in the woods and shit. The shit was terrible, bro. We're just... the shit is so annoying.
Damn, bro. I still can't catch shit. Damn, bro. Trey, you caught something yet? Oh, shit. No. We just faked the fuck out of this shit. And
Shit.
how you feel extra?
They out here now. Nigga, I'm a... Damn,
Oh,
nigga.
my bad.
Nah, shit, you know what I'm saying? Second fish, you know what I'm saying?
Hell
Second
yeah.
fucking fish.
Hey, sir, can you
Other day.
can you look at the camera when you say that?
Damn, nigga, what this is the news or something? Nigga?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second fish, nigga.
Okay, all right, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what you caught over here, man.
I just saw that bit came with.
Hey, bro, what you just caught over here?
Shit, I caught a bass.
Oh, my bad. I'm too close. Damn, I'm not catching shit. Let me leave y'all the fuck alone and catch mine.
Bro, this video was so long. Like, I didn't catch nothing at all, bro. This shit was annoying, bro. And we're all in the country and shit. Like, you guys don't ever gotta worry about me making a video this long ever again, only for special occasions. This shit was hella long, but, you know, it was pretty fun, you know. I ain't catch shit, but it's all good, you know. You know, I'm gonna catch something next time. Like, this video is a whole L for me. Like, I ain't catch a damn thing. But, we ran into a fat ass snake, which you will see sooner in the video, apparently, you know.
Man, fuck that. Waste. You got that, people. You got me scared of snakes now. Yeah, that nigga came out with that big boom. Huh?
All right, look, keep in mind, this whole video is gonna be, you know, a lot of me voice over in the, you know, so I can let y'all know what's going on. So there's gonna be a lot of me voice over and what's going on and shit. But I ain't gonna lie, when I was out here, bro, it was hot as dog shit. And, you know, this shit was, like, hot as fuck. Like, I ain't catch a damn thing. I'm a walking L on the way back to the, you know, cars and stuff. Things just didn't go my way, man, you know? And shit was terrible. Alright, look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you know. I just, you know, didn't catch shit, you know. I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 5 subscribers, you know. You know, I'm on the road to 5 subscribers, you know.